having us today. My name is Cassandra, and here with me are some of my teammates.
My name is Maxi.
My name is Catherine.
Our team is from Lethbridge, Alberta. We are in an agriculture hub, and that plays a major role in the city's retail, wholesale, and service sectors. We've already seen our business team that is here with us this weekend, and they presented the full business model and plan. So in recent events, the canola exports amongst the foreign markets are questionable due to traceability. In Canada, the canola provides $26.7 billion in total economic activity and over 250,000 jobs. With recent market restriction in China, the economic impact has been devastating. The canola farmers are estimated to be left with 3.5 million tons of oilseed, breaking the previous record of 3.1 million. So with the abundance of oilseed unused, prices in the market drop and lack of business value realization occurs. So our project, AGRISET, is a blockchain system which runs and records the smart contract transactions in the canola supply chain and will solve the problems of quality assurance, traceability, and fiscal responsibility. We will do this by using IoT, integration, blockchain, and smart contracts.
So to maintain the quality of canola seed, we want to maintain these parameters. The first important parameters is temperature. So temperature in general industrial practice is less than 20 centigrade, but ideally is 15 centigrade. The second important parameters is that we want to make sure that the packages is sealed. So we want to minimize the number of the time the packages is exposed to contamination. The third important factor is relative humidity, which is less than 60%, and we have two other additional options, which is weight and delivery. So here you can see our private blockchain, which is based on private Ethereum network. Here is our backend. Our code is used with Solidity smart contracts and is verified through Clyde platform. So here is the most important part. So we know that sensors record the data. We want to guarantee that parameters are maintained. So the quality of canola oil is also maintained. Each container has sensors. Sensors record data until they reach to the checkpoint. So when they reach to the checkpoint, they load the data to the web server. So somehow we want to pull this data to the smart contract. We know that smart contracts don't have import, so we don't have import and export to the smart contract, so we use APIs. In our case, the API is Oracleized. So this is how that our project is not only about the software, but also it's about software and hardware integration.
So our front end was built using the React.js and Web3. We managed to produce a QR code for the user to communicate through the blockchain, and we also create a wallet using the front-end code. However, there's some deprecated functions that with the Web3 that we need to look at so that our front end can be fully functional.
And for the machine learning aspect, we've decided to use the decision tree and random forest regression models, as they are both work well for linear and nonlinear problems. Decision tree is also really good for interpretability, and random forest for higher accuracy. Machine learning will predict the price based on the parameters that were discussed earlier. Our machine learning model is trained based on the parameters of temperature and relative humidity right now. And these are just all of our sponsors that were able to bring us here from Lethbridge. Thank you.
Awesome. That's development, that's way above my head, but I applaud you. It's awesome. So.